So you got some eye mask. What is the best way to apply them? Does the big part go on the outside or the inside of your eye? What do you do? Let's talk about it. Let's check out the firming one first. There is some serum that will leak out, so you want to open them this way instead of this way, you know, that way, because it will leak out. So slide the tray out, makes it easier to hold and apply. Apply the large circle here, because since these are for a lift, this way is going to focus on the puffiness. Just gonna put them in there. You can adjust them a little bit if you want. So this is one way that you can wear them. If you have dry skin or you have any problems with your concealer creeping up, creasing up under your eyes, get these eye masks, because what you do, put them on, and then as you do your eye makeup, bonus that any fallout will land on these instead of on your face. And this is going to hydrate under your eye area as you're doing your makeup. So your eye area underneath there will be all nice and hydrated by the time you put on your concealer. Decided with these just to relax, and tomorrow, same video for you, but tomorrow I will be putting on the other ones so that we can try that while I do my makeup. Peel off. And there's a little bit of product left. Just going to pat it in. And do I look brighter and lifted underneath my eyes? They feel hydrated. This morning, let's try the Better Than Your Morning Coffee. This is the Revitalizing eye mask from Grace and Stella. When you open them, you want to have the side with all the instructions and stuff, that side up, because that's the tray facing up. And the side, when you open it, this side that's facing up is the side that goes on your face. It's not gonna, like, you'll still get benefit, but that is the side that should be facing your face. So facing your face, I'm going to this time put the whiter part out here to tackle the crow's feet. I don't smell a scent on these. How do you currently use your eye patches? Did you know that there's 2 ways to apply them? Or have you even tried an eye patch before? There are so many good brands. Let me know if you need suggestions. This is from Grace and Stella, but there is so many great ones. Now, some of the fallout that I did get is on these. And let's see. Ooh, they feel hydrated. That is going to be so good to help my concealer look good. So there, whoa. So see, that fallout would have all been on my face and that. So definitely, I like to do this anytime I'm, putting eyeshadow on. I try to put on eye patches, but especially if you're wearing any kind of shimmery or glittery shades, you want to for sure do this step. And no. And where's my mirror? Where is my mirror? And make sure you are following. It's free to do. Hit that subscribe button for more beauty and fashion content. If you want to find out how to tackle the forehead lines and the 11s next, then click on either of these videos that are popping up on the screen. Thanks. Bye.